Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Are you looking for a great escape along the North Coast? A second home or an investment property maybe? Then you will love this gorgeous and spacious 2 bedroom, 3.5 bathroom townhouse, spanning just over 1,670 square feet for sale in the Mango Walk area of Montego Bay. This is a gated community and is less than 5 minutes away from the Sangsters International Airport, Doctor's Cave Beach, Coral Cliff Entertainment and Lounge, restaurants, gift shops, and so much more. There is open parking and air conditioning throughout the unit. Monthly homeowners association and insurance is Jamaican, 26,500. Unit is being sold unfurnished. Guys, let's take a look at this townhouse. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this townhouse is US 300,000 or Jamaican $46.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.